Sabi ni Hannah, then you will realize na trap ka na pala. I think she's referring to immigrating to Canada. Here's my 2 cents, no? You will never know until you try it. Recently, ang nakikita kong trend, lalo na sa Filipino community, hindi lang dito sa Canada, especially dun sa mga nagpaplanong pumunta dito sa Canada, there are a lot of negativities being shared na mahirap ang buhay dito, which is true. Kasi saan ba sa mundo madali ang buhay, di ba? Kasi kung meron tayong specific na lugar, nandun tayo lahat. And I think for Filipinos, nakita nila na ang Canada is one of the places where you can actually have a better quality of life. If there's one thing I can share, fear is the thief of your dreams. Kung fearful ka na i-try, walang mangyayari. And also, I just wanna say, habang buhay ka and you're able-bodied, kumbaga, you will never be trapped. You can always move. You can always go back to the Philippines. Have you heard of the term sunk cost fallacy? Ito yung kapag ang dami na nating na-invest na time, effort, and money or feelings sa isang bagay or isang tao, we just continue to do whatever we do kasi nanghihinayang tayo dun sa na-invest na natin kumbaga. I'll give you a common example. Ito yung pag nag-order ka sa restaurant ng pagkain, mukhang masarap, pero hindi masarap. You end up finishing your plate kasi nagbayad ka ng mahal at sayang yung pagkain. That's a sunk cost fallacy. Going to a restaurant is paying for the food and the experience. You finishing the plate ng pagkain na hindi mo gusto, sa tingin mo na sulit mo yung pera mo kasi inubos mo yung pagkain, but in fact, hindi kasi yung experience na expected mo, na babayaran mo, hindi yun yung nakuha mo. Same lang din sa pag-move sa mga ibang countries or ibang lugar. Sometimes we feel like we're trapped kasi we have invested so much time. Ang tagal ko na dito, nakabili na ako ng bahay, may ganto, ganyan. And then we refuse to change that because we have invested so much. Pero nakikita natin sa news, maraming umaalis ng Canada. And these are the people who realize that they don't wanna deal with the sunk cost fallacy. They realize na it's time para bitawan lahat. And yes, babalik tayo dun sa pagiging fearful. Hindi sila naging fearful to try their luck or their fate in Canada. And they're not fearful of trying to go back or trying to try something new or some other places na pwede nilang lipatan. So, ganun lang yung buhay. If you're fearful, then don't do it. But you'll actually be stagnant. And if you want to explore other countries or gusto mong mag-try ng ibang bagay, yes, the risk is very high, but the reward will also be high.